Hello viewers, here I will explain you how to manage different types of events for your institution. For managing event, you have to first create the type of events you want for your institution. For that, you should undergo through event type under the schedule event, or you can directly access it through your dashboard. Here you will see a list of events. For example, celebration, circulars, sports, extracurricular activities, announcement, PTM, and many more. There are 3 buttons for each event type for view, edit, and delete. As the name suggests, view button is used to view the description of the event. Edit button is used to edit the information of event type, and delete button is simply used to delete the event type. For example, I'm just clicking on view button. It will display the event name and description. Similarly, if you want to edit the event type, just click on event type edit button. It will provide an editable window, and once you satisfy with the information, click on edit record. A message on the right is displayed that event has been updated successfully. Similarly, if you want to delete the button, just click the delete icon. A pop-up will be shown for ensuring that are you sure to delete this information. If yes, click on delete button, otherwise close the pop-up. Now if you want to add a new event type, click on add new event type and insert the information. Now my new event type name is news, and I'm just inserting dummy data. Now once you're satisfied with the information, click on add new event type. A message in the right corner displayed that event type has been created successfully. Now back to your list, you notice that your recently created event type is now visible to the list. So in this manner, you can manage event type. Now your second step is to manage events. Now back to the schedule event module, click on event. It will provide a detailed list of event type, duration, and time of the event. You can also filter it by selecting different type of event type. You will notice that there are different types of event type we created in event type management. Here is a recently created news event. Now select the news and filter button, and you see that there are no events associated with a news event type. Now if we select another one, I'm selecting holiday. Now filter it. Now we will see different types of holidays. Similarly, on circular, there are no events associated with circular, and for extracurricular activities, no events. Now there are some event associated with announcement event type. Now in order to view, edit or delete event type, you just use 3 buttons associated with each event type. On clicking the first one, will display the event description. This is an announcement of class 10, description and announcement date. Back to the list, If you want to edit particular type of event, just click on edit button and an editable window will be shown. You can edit the information whatever you want. For example, out of blue is an event announcement at school campus. Select the minimum time it was necessary. Now your event has been successfully updated and the information associated with the event is displayed here. Now if you want to add a new event, you just click on add new event button. Select the event type, name of event, description, Now after inserting all correct information, click on add new button. Now event type has been created successfully, published on date this, and this is a circular type. Submitting fees, something related to fees, this is fees circulation, and announcement date is this. So in this manner you can manage your event.